A warm welcome, all of you. Have a lovely day. So, let us begin our session. You can sit in a comfortable posture, Vajrasana or Sukhasana. Hands in Dhyan Mudra, eyes are gently closed. With your closed eyes, visualize your entire body from the toes to the head. पूरे शरीर को देखिए मन की आंखों से. Relax yourself. Sit erect. Observe the calmness and the quietness. So friends, now we are ready for our session by chanting 3 Omkars and the prayer. Breathe in full. Namaskar Mudra, prayer. Om Bhuvasvaha Tatsya Vidurvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nama Prachodayat. Om Sana Bhavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahe Tejasvinavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahe. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Mrutam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hands in Dhyan Mudra again. Eyes are still closed. Enjoy the vibrations. Feel the vibrations. धीरे से गहरी सांस लो और सांस को छोड़े और धीरे धीरे अब आप आंखों को खोले, अपनी जगह पर खड़े हो जाइए. स्टैंड इन योर प्लेस. सो वेलकम ऑल वंस अगेन. आज हम कुछ डायनेमिक प्रैक्टिसेस करेंगे. इट विल बी लिटिल बिट हार्डर प्रैक्टिसेस. वी आर गोइंग फॉर पावर योगा प्रैक्टिसेस. सो थोड़ा सा अपने आप को स्ट्रेच कर लेते हैं. टर्न द हेड राइट एंड लेफ्ट, राइट लेफ्ट 3 times. जस्ट लूजन अप ऑल द जॉइंट्स. फिर बैक एंड फॉरवर्ड करें. Rotation. Since you are doing in standing, keep your eyes open. Once clockwise, once anti-clockwise. Okay. Now just stretch your hands forward. Contract, relax the fingers nicely. Palms up and down. Now rotation, wrist rotation. And reverse. For the elbows, simple practice. Sideways. Okay. For the shoulder joint rotation, slow. And do reverse. Stretch and relax. Let us do some practice for the spine and the torso. Lateral bending. 5 times. Okay, yes. Forward and backward bending. पांच बार. Let's do twisting. Hands down, twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hand on the knees, stretch down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Lateral twisting, right and left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hand on the waist and leg movements for the lower body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same leg sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Now ankle के लिए पैरों के toes के लिए और ankles के लिए ankle rotation. Do reverse also. Change and do reverse. Just keeping the hands on the waist, raising the heels up, raising the toes up. Okay. So now we go for the breathing practice. पैरों में अंतर रखें, हाथ आगे. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Again, breathe in and breathe out. Okay. Now let us do hand stretch breathing. Hands interlock. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Hands up. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in and breathe out. Okay. So begin with slow jogging. धीरे धीरे jogging करें. Move your hands. Hands up. Hands from back to forward. Forward to back. Hands up. हाथों को साइड में ले. क्रॉस ओवर. Shake your hands. थोड़ा फास्ट जॉगिंग. And relax. Palms on the knees. सांस ले नाक से, मुंह से बाहर. Stretch down, touch your toes, relax your hands. Come up, backward arch. And you can do twisting right and left. Relax. Okay. So today we will not be doing Surya Namaskar. So we begin with the continuous practice. Power yoga के practices start करते हैं. आपको थकान हो रही है, आप रुक सकते हैं. जितनी आपकी क्षमता है उतना ही आप करेंगे. Okay. So just relax. Do as per. We are just doing the continuation asanas in combination. Okay. We will not do much. 5 काउंट्स तक मेंटेन करते हैं. कुछ न्यू प्रैक्टिसेस है, इसीलिए ज़्यादा नहीं करेंगे. Okay. So now you come and in front of the mat, hands down, ऐसे. Now hands are inside and now you will jump back. Okay, jump forward. Hands के बाहर आपके पैर है. Again jump back. Mountain. Jump forward. Go to mountain. Jump back. Jump forward. 3. Go back. Mountain. Jump forward. And jump back. Mountain. ओके, इस तरह से माउंटेन में हो. अब धीरे से अपने राइट लेग को आगे लीजिए. राइट लेग इज फॉरवर्ड. कम अप. रेज योर हैंड्स अप. स्लोली गो डाउन. मेंटेन करें. 1 2 3 4 5. पाम्स डाउन. चतुरांग दंडासन. यहीं से भुजंगासन, पर्वतासन. फिर से राइट लेग आगे. हैंड्स फॉरवर्ड. 1 2 3 4 5. पाम्स डाउन. चतुरांग दंडासन. ये यहाँ से भुजंगासन, पर्वतासन. Now bring the left leg forward. Hands up. Forward bend. Maintain. 1 2 3 4 5. Hands down. Chaturanga Dandasan. Bhujangasan. Parvatasan. Bring the left leg forward. Hands up. Forward bend. 1 2 3 4 5. हाथ नीचे. चतुरांग दंडासन. भुजंगासन. Parvatasana. And now come to this position of Marjanasana. घुटनों के बल, पैरों में अंतर. पैरों को जोड़ दो. Okay. Now raise the right leg up. Bend at the knee. Now just raise the right leg up. 1 2 3 4 5. Keep the leg down. Left leg up. Bend at the knee. 1 2 3 4 5. Bring the leg down. Come to mountain. Bhujangasan. Again mountain. Bhujangasan. Marjanasana. Now raise the right leg. Stretch the right leg back. Raise it up. Keep the leg straight and move up and down. 1 2 3 4 5. Keep the leg down. Left leg stretch back. 1 2 3 4 5. Come to Marjanasana. Again go to mountain. Bhujangasan. Mountain. Bhujangasan. Now mountain. Maintain mountain. Now right knee touching the right elbow. Left knee touching the left elbow. Okay. So हाथों को थोड़े तो नजदीक ले सकते हैं. Start. 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10. Relax in Vajrasana. Breathe in, breathe out. Come to mountain again. Mountain में now knee and elbow opposite touch करना है इसे. Criss cross. 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 Feel the nice pressure on your stretching on your arms. From here we go to Ushtrasan. We know Ushtrasan, so stand on the knees. घुटनों के बल खड़े हो जाएंगे. No, those who cannot do full Ushtrasan, आप half Ushtrasan करें. Okay? Back. Other hand back. Maintain. Push your abdomen forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. Stand on the knees. Breathe out. One more round. Right hand back, left hand back, hold, push your abdomen forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax in on the knee position. Now you are on the knees. Okay. Right leg को बाहर stretch कर दीजिए. Now bend back and hold the left heel, Ardha Ushtrasan, and right hand back. Maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. Left leg forward. Stretch to the side. Now the right hand goes back and holds the heel, and the left hand just backward up. Look hand back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. Repeat with the same practice. Right leg stretched out. Hold the left heel. Right hand up, head hanging back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back. Stretch. Show it the other way also. If your left leg is back, right hand goes back and holds the heel. The left hand up, head back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And come back. Sit for Mandukasana in Vajrasana or Sukhasana. Sit there. Palms on the navel region. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Push your abdomen in. Go down. Maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take the head down. Start breathing. Come up. Relax. We will do one more round. Again, palms press. No, don't press. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Press the abdomen. Go forward and turn the head up. Don't breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly take the head down. Start breathing and come up. Okay. Now release one leg to the side and one leg is forward this way. Okay. At an angle. We go for Janu Shirasana. Hands up. Slowly sideward bend. Maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come back. Stretch the left leg, right leg forward. To the side at an angle. Hands up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And come back. Okay. Now raise the right leg up and hands low. So I'll show you from the side. But we have to repeat Janu Shirasana once more again. Now the leg is forward. Okay. Leg is forward. Janu Shirasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come back. Left leg stretched. Bend down. Right leg stretched. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come back. Okay. Sit here. Now raise the right leg up. Release the hands. Maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lift down. Left leg up. Release the hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Relax for a while. And now we go for Paschimottanasana, forward bend. So raise your hands up. Slowly, slowly go forward bend, how much ever you can. And and maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Gently come back. Roll your shoulders, relax. One more round. Forward bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Now fold the right leg, hold and try to raise more higher, raising the head. Time to take the knee to the head, forehead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And relax. Same way, repeat with the left leg. Hold and bend the hands at the elbows, forehead to the knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly down. Relax for a while. This is continuation practice, but we are relaxing in between. Actually, we don't have to relax, but now we are not used to. So we are relaxing. Relax. Now keeping the legs apart. Keep the legs apart nicely. Parivritta Konasana we will do. Okay. So now hands up. Turn to the right side. Forward bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come back. Left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come back. Relax for a while. Once more. Forward bend to the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come back. And repeat to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax with a nice pull on your leg muscles. Keep the legs stretched. Let us go for Upavishta Konasana. Hands up. Slowly forward bend. How much ever you can reach. And maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come back. Relax. Slowly go down more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And relax. With a nice stretching on the leg muscles. To relax the leg muscles, join your feet. Do Titli Kriya, Butterfly Kriya. Stretch down, maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just go for a forward bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And come back. Join the legs. Hug yourself. Maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly you will lie down on your back. पीठ के बल लेट जाएंगे. Relax. Turn to one side. Lie down on your back. Relax on your back. Ready for Ardha Pavan Muktasana. Right leg up. Bend at the knee. Press the knee tightly. Maintain there first. Nicely press. थोड़ी देर के लिए रुको. Feel the relaxation in your back muscles. And now raise your head up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Head down. Release the hands. Straighten the leg. Relax that leg. Left leg up. Bend and press. Press tightly. Feel the relaxation in your back muscles. Raise your head up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Relax for a while. Repeat. Right leg up. Bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Release. Repeat with the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Release. Relax. Full Pavan Muktasan. Both the legs up. Bend at the knees. Press tightly and raise up. Maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Head down. Relax the hands. Relax the legs. Relax for a while. Second round of Pavan Muktasan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hands down. Straighten the legs. Relax for a while. Dronasana, dynamic, hands up. You are going to touch the toes as you lift yourself up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax. We will go for Chakrasana. Those who cannot go for Chakrasana will do Setu Bandhasana. This is Setu Bandhasana. इस तरह से आप कर सकते हो. Otherwise Chakrasana. Hold the legs, hands by the side, and just lift up. Maintain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Gently come down. Relax. Do rocking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax. We are going for Ardha Dronasana, only lifting the hands and pointing upwards and the head up, hands up, come up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Second round of Chakrasana. Those who are not comfortable, do Setu Bandhasana. Hands by the side and raise. Come up more and more closer and maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly come down. Relax. Do rocking so as to relax your back muscles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can do rolling also so as to relax. Right and left rolling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Gently relax. postures in. Now we go for Viparit Karni Mudra. Those who cannot do Viparit Karni Mudra can now lie down for or keep the legs at 90 degrees. Those who can do Viparit Karni Mudra, good. जिनको नहीं आता है वो पैरों को 90 डिग्रीज में ऐसे रखें. ओके. So now ready for Viparit Karni Mudra. Start. And up. Look at your toes. Maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Legs towards the head side. Relax. Viparit Karni Mudra, dynamic practice. Those who are comfortable, those who are able to balance, they will only do. Others will do Ardha Halasana or keeping the legs at 90 and moving. Okay. So dynamic Viparit Karni Mudra. Come to Viparit Karni Mudra and sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward and back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Movement 1, 2, 3, 4. Reverse 4, 3, 2, 1. Halasana, Ardha Halasana, maintain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly bring the legs down. Relax for a while. Fold the legs, hands stretched at shoulder level. Raise the legs up, twisting right and left. Uttan Vakrasana twisting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And gently relax. And now we go for Matsyasana. जिनको मत्स्यासन होता है करें. लेटे लेटे ही अर्ध पद्मासन में जाना है. How you will do अर्ध पद्मासन? Right leg up, fold, left leg up, fold. पद्मासन में बैठे या अर्ध पद्मासन में लेटेंगे. Okay. I'll just change my leg position. Whichever is comfortable for you. You can lie down in Ardha Padmasana first. Raise your hands up, head up. Okay, we will do in sitting. That will be more comfortable. Even I am not comfortable. So sitting में Ardha Padmasana या Ardha Padmasana में जाइए. Sitting in Padmasana. Then going back, gently lie down. Now keeping the hands by the side or hold the hips, crown of the head on the mat, hold the toes, maintain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. वैसे ही लेटे रहे. Maintain your position. Maintain the Padmasana. Go for the second round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly come up. Now come up and sit in Padmasana स्थिति. Padmasana में बैठे. Release your legs. Stretch. Now stand. Stand on the knees. In the back half of the mat. And stand on the knees. Go to mountain pose. From there to Chaturangandasana. वहाँ से भुजंगासन. Again mountain. Chaturangandasana. Bhujangasana, mountain, and gently lie on your back, abdomen. पेट के ऊपर लेट जाए, रिलैक्स इन सुलभ मकरासन. Join the hands, join the legs together, hands straight forward, Naukasana, rocking Naukasana. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Static Naukasana, maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. नेक्स्ट आसन धनुरासन, स्टैटिक. पैरों को मोड़ेंगे, होल्ड द एंकल जॉइंट्स, रेज द लेग्स अप एंड द हेड अप, मेंटेन. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come down, relax. Second round Dhanurasan, chin on the mat, hold the legs, hold the ankles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Slowly come to Bhujangasana. From there to Sashankasana. Maintain Sashankasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide your hands back, relaxing Anurata. Now only a few practices remaining, so we'll end and then you can go for Shavasana. Gently stand in your place. धीरे से अपनी जगह पर खड़े हो जाए. Okay. Standing, we will do Tadasana. Stretching. Okay. Stretch your hands up and down, heels up. 2. Breathe in up, breathe out down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Keep the hands, feet together, hands stretched. Ardha Kati Chakrasana. Bend down to the left side. Head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly bring the hand down and touch the thigh. Left hand up, turn the palm upwards, stretch up and bend down to the right side, head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come up. Slowly hand down and relax. Be ready for Agnisar Kriya. In Agnisar Kriya, you have to keep the breath out and just move the abdomen. So थोड़ा सा आगे झुकेंगे ऐसे, पेट की हलचल करेंगे, सांस को बाहर रखें. Observe me. First round. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Don't breathe now and now do the abdomen movement. सांस लेने का मन होता है तो मूवमेंट स्टॉप करें, सांस लेना शुरू करें और सीधे हो जाइए. सो कीपिंग द ब्रेथ आउट, ये मूवमेंट करनी है abdomen की. ओके, इट इज वेरी नाइस प्रैक्टिस. इन पावर योगा वी जनरली डू दिस. अगेन, ब्रीथ इन, ब्रीथ आउट, ब्रीथ इन, ब्रीथ आउट. अब मूवमेंट करें. सांस लेने के लिए गर्दन मूवमेंट को स्टॉप करें, धीरे धीरे सांस लेके ऊपर उठे. दोस्त हु आर फीलिंग डिफिकल्ट ऐसे करके कर सकते हो या बैठ के भी, बट इट इज नो इफेक्टिव इन स्टैंडिंग. वन मोर राउंड. ब्रीथ इन, breathe out, breathe in, complete breathe out. मूवमेंट, सांस नहीं लेना है या तो नाक को बंद करें, सांस लेने के लिए मूवमेंट स्टॉप करते हुए धीरे धीरे सांस को ले ऊपर। आफ्टर दिस उड़ान बंद, जिसमें आपको मूवमेंट नहीं करना है, सांस को बाहर छोड़ के अपने डायफ्राम को ऊपर उठा के रखना है, पेट को जितना हो सके अंदर जाने देना। तो पहले ऐसे करिए, दंडस्थ उड़ान बंद, ब्रीद इन, ब्रीद आउट, ब्रीद इन, ब्रीद आउट। चिन को ऐसे करो, सांस नहीं लेना है, चेस्ट को एक्सपैंड करो, पेट को अंदर जाने दो, होल्ड द ब्रेथ आउट। सांस लेने का मन हो रहा है, गर्दन को सीधी करें, धीरे धीरे सांस लें, जैसे ही सांस लेंगे पेट बाहर आएगा। अंडरस्टूड? सो पेट को अंदर जाने देना है, डायफ्राम को ऊपर खींचना है। सो दिस शुड बी डन इन दिस पोजीशन। सांस ले, उड़ान बंद का एक राउंड करेंगे, ब्रीद इन, ब्रीद आउट, ब्रीद इन, कंप्लीट ब्रीद आउट, चेन लॉक। Now try to raise the chest as if you are doing mock inhalation. झूठ मूठ की सांस ले रहे हो, एक्चुअल सांस नहीं ले रहे हो, तो छाती को फुलाए, नाभि को अंदर जाने दीजिए। Let the abdomen sink in. Go in, more and more in. सांस बिल्कुल भी नहीं लेना है, पेट को जितना हो सके अंदर जाने दीजिए। सांस लेने के लिए गर्दन को ऊपर उठाएं, सांस लेना शुरू करें और फिर ऊपर। So suck the abdomen in as if there is a vacuum over there. पूरा पेट अंदर की ओर धंस जाना चाहिए when you are doing उड़ान बंद practice. Okay? And now let's sit in your place. We are ending the practice with Kapalbhati and then Shavasana. So after these practices, आपकी कपालभाति बहुत effective हो जाएगी. 100 strokes of Kapalbhati. Back straight, sit in ध्यान मुद्रा और पद्म मुद्रा. Sorry, द्रोण मुद्रा. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100. Feel the nice freshness after this practice of Kapalbhati. It was more effective after so many asanas. So we did so many rounds of asanas in a dynamic way. अब आप बहुत थक चुके हो शायद से, पर इतनी थकान नहीं है. Mental tiredness is not there, even physical tiredness is not there. You are feeling more lighter, more relaxed. So let us go for Shavasana. आप पैरों को स्ट्रेच कर लीजिए और शवासन के लिए लेट जाइए. जस्ट आपको सूचनाओं को सुनना है. You listen to the audio. You can click on the next audio for Shavasana.